Sorry, Whisper. We're gonna go. Yeah, Whisper, I mean, if you're if you're too scared about these things, you don't want to do stuff with us, you're just gonna stay at home. I really like the hotels. Yeah, okay, you watch football. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Bunch of animals. Yeah. Oh, someone's being battled.
Oh, we just knocked him out of the...
I know.
Wow.
That's a baby. Mean goat. Mean goat. Guys, look at it on carrot.
Oh, hey.
Hi, Booty. Hi, Sheepies. Hello.
Hayden, you gotta get this little baby.
Yeah.
Wait, where'd the little one go?
The little one's right
that
there. That's the
little
little
baby,
one. It's the one on the bottom. That's the little baby. This one who got ran.
Does Dad have it?
No. Hurry, feed the cow. Nice.
That's what that is?
Yeah, that's a cow.
I wanna get more of this. Oh, here you
Look at
go.
that,
You're so
guys.
cute.
Look at that baby. Feed that baby. Hang on, I see no cow.
You wanted this one here?
Yeah, hang on, little nice little cow.
Look at this cow. Hello. Ooh, his tongue's so long.
Anyway, oh, a golf course. Pretty nice. How's the horses doing up there? Yeah. Easy boy. There's no horse up there. I've been doing fun like this. Again. There's a horse. That's pretty fun. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Hi, horsies. Meow. Now, if you want these people to come, the Pennington people to come to your birthday party or just a special event, here it is. But you must live in Michigan. If you don't live in Michigan, then you can't have these people here. Okay? Remember. So here's their information. So you have to live in Michigan. If you do not live in Michigan, you cannot get these people at your party. But here it is. Now, it's nighttime and spooky trails. Please don't scare us. They might scare us, but there's probably just gonna be scarecrows and crap like that. I don't care. Well, oh, look at the light! Look at them there. Well, I mean, that's the way we came up here in the first place, so I don't think it's gonna be that scary. We've already went down that. Yeah, you're right. Probably a fury? No. Yeah.
Right here in front.
No. What's in your bag?
We didn't get ready to video.
Meow! Meow! No, they're all alive! Look, that's bloody! No, that was alive too!
Oh no!
That was... No! What? That was gonna come next! Meow. Mom, wait, that was just gonna come up behind us.
Hayden, is that actually gonna...
Meow!
How do we know the real clone from the fake clone?
That's actually...
Oh my gosh!
What? I didn't get that.
I didn't see that one coming.
Fake monkey?
That was so weird. What, acting like a monkey?
That's so smart. Meow? Meow? Yeah, he's right there. Yeah. I can't see. Oh, why is there so many bloody crosses? He doesn't see. They just turn around. There's one
Is
in
that
the
really the mountains, are they?
no, maybe. Unless it's just a giant party down here.
Wow, that was a spooky 2 minutes.
We'll do it again. I see the monkey. Meow, Luigi. I didn't even talk because this isn't scary. Look, there's even something down there, I think.
Over here, I can hear something on the box.
I hear something on the right. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty fun. Yeah, it wasn't that scary for me. I think we should actually go to a real haunted house. What do you mean by that? I mean, this one just wasn't that scary and it was kind of short, so I mean, we should probably go to a real one that's long and actually has more scary things. Okay, maybe we can plan one next week.